You're finally home. The day is over. You hang up the phone, you close the laptop, you finish cleaning, or you finally put kids to bed. And you realize that your body is still working overtime. Your chest is buzzing, the jaw feels tight, and your mind keeps scanning for one more thing to do or one more thing to fix. The day is over, but your body didn't get that memo. And it doesn't matter who you are, the parent, the hustler, the achiever, or the quiet one, just trying to do their best. When the world feels quiet, your system stays loud. And it's not anxiety, that's your body stuck in a survival mode. Inside you runs one long nerve, the vagus nerve. Think of it as your body's internal Wi Fi. It connects your brain to your heart, your lungs, and your gut. And it's constantly sending one question: is it finally okay to rest? And when it gets the signal that yes, you relax and you rest. But when it doesn't, you stay alert. And most of us, we've been buffering for years, stuck in that signal. I felt it on my first day at new job. Everything went right. It was good. And still, my heart wouldn't slow down. I just sat there when the day was over, staring at the screen, hand still on the mouse, as if someone forgot to press stop. And that's when I realized I'd spent years training my body to perform, but never taught my body how to rest. And it's not a burnout, that's loyalty. Your nervous system is the oldest bodyguard there is. It's been watching, scanning, protecting you, but now it needs to get new orders because the danger it's guarding you from, it lives in your memory. So now let's try something together. Let's give your body a proof that it's safe now. Don't chase the calm, just stop running. You don't have to earn rest. So just put your hand on your heart and feel that pulse. That's proof you made it through today. And that's enough. You survived the storm. Now teach your body what rest feels like. That's your signal to vagus nerve that you're safe. Notice how your breath slows down before you even think about it. Feel how your shoulders drop almost by themselves, and just stay there for a moment. Don't rush. That quiet you're feeling right now, that's your body remembering what safety feels like. I'm not an expert. I'm just someone learning how to listen to my body, same as you. If this helped you slow down even for a moment, tell me in comments what rest feels like for you lately. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.